What up?
Like, what are you doing? You come running in here?
Okay, great.
My God. Now I know what you're doing. You're hiding from Jesse.
What up? Stop, man.
Come on.
I'll catch you guys again.
Come on.
Gotta go potty.
Come on.
You did that like that.
Come on. No, this way.
The garage.
The garage door is not open.
You can open it. Let's go.
Come on. Let's go. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come on. No. There's none. Boy dog. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. I have 24 subscribers. So subscribe to my channel. Alright, bye.